This 2027 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 MLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lubbock, Texas, 79403 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lubbock. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.